can I get another? Actually, can I get some single people? Who are single up in here?
Woo! Yes!
Come on, lonely people.
Yes! Yes!
What is the loneliest number?
Where do you expect to meet your dream person?
Oh, God.
How about at a rock concert?
Rock concert is rock concert. Rock concert is your suggestion. Rock concert. Ladies, are you ready?
Yes. That's a song.
Started playing it before your hands went up.
That's how good I am.
My guitar's happy to be on there. Quiet, my man.
So, I'm gonna do this guitar solo, or what? Oh, you said it on cat.
Said so much in just that one note.
That's all I'm saying, man. It sells albums, I'm just saying.
That was, I was thinking something a little more like this. My guitar thought that was funny.
You know what? I think I'm done playing guitar. I'm gonna try this. That's right, keytar.
Bring it back.
I'm bringing it back.
It's long overdue.
All right. So I was thinking after the second verse, we could play a little something like, like that Cantina band in Jackson.
People moving.
Oh yeah, man.
You know what? I've been experimenting with a lot of weird percussion lately.
All right.
Got this African gourd. see if we can bring that into the mix.
Hey, we're playing here. You can't fucking say it.
For reals this time.
Fuck, fly. Oh, bees in it. There are bees in it. Throw my guitar at it. Yeah. You had it in the lake.
That gorgeous jingle bells.
見てごらんしない。